Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Curious about how to write and display code in Notion? Maybe you want to organize your programming notes, document your projects, or even collaborate with teammates, all inside the sleek Notion workspace. Well, today I'm showing you exactly how to run and manage code in Notion, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to neatly present your code, choose the right formatting, and confidently build technical documentation right in Notion. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you should know is that Notion has a built-in feature called the code block. You don't need any plugins or complicated setup for this part. It's ready to go right out of the box. To get started, simply enter /code, that's anywhere in your Notion page. This will bring up the code block option. Give it a click and you'll create a dedicated space for your code. Now Notion gives you a handy drop-down menu right in the code block, letting you pick the language your code is written in. So whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, HTML, SQL, or dozens of other languages, you can select the right one. This is important because Notion will automatically highlight the syntax for that language, making your code easier to read, understand, and share with others. If, for example, you paste some Python, Notion will give variables, functions, and keywords different colors, just like you'd expect from a proper integrated development environment. Imagine you're keeping track of a set of SQL queries or some HTML snippets for a website design. This level of formatting really helps prevent mistakes and confusion down the line. Let me show you a quick example using Python. Just pop open a code block, set the language to Python, and type something like def hello, return hello Notion. You'll see the code stand out nicely in your document, easy on the eyes and simple to find later. It's perfect for jotting down short scripts, class templates, or even debugging notes. You could also use these blocks to walk your team through some tricky logic, or as a way to document key parts of your project directly alongside other notes and tasks. But this is really important to know, the code you put into Notion, at least for now, is static. That means Notion itself won't actually run or execute your code. These code blocks are just for displaying it. Think of them like museum display cases for your code snippets. You get to present your code neatly, but you'll still need to switch to your actual development environment to test or run anything. So if you're hoping to see your Python results or output live inside Notion, don't worry, you're not missing a feature. It's simply not built for execution right now. Instead, use Notion to organize everything, and keep your favorite IDE or code editor handy for testing and running your programs. This feature really shines for note-taking, for study guides, or as technical documentation, especially if you want to reference code alongside explanations, diagrams, and task checklists. It's also a lifesaver for sharing snippets with others during brainstorming or when preparing your next presentation. So that's how you display and manage code in Notion in 2025. Give it a try and see just how much it improves your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with any questions you have, and subscribe for more practical Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.